Not at all. Thank you.
Thanks.
I have a couple of questions. The first one is also about policy 4730, homework. I have a chance to look at. The number 2, you said you changed the policy to say homework should help children learn by providing practice and mastery of skills, and then you took out experience in data gathering and integration of knowledge. Fine with that. But you also took out and an opportunity to remediate learning problems. Isn't that what homework is for? To help these kids that don't understand it?
No, you don't want people to go home and practice what they don't know.
Right.
That's really the worst thing you possibly think.
Okay,
you
so
can do
that's
for
what,
homework.
right, and that's always been my point. I've spoken about that before. If a child does, let's take math for instance, a math problem over and over and over again the wrong way, then that reinforces that behavior.
Yeah.
So, to me, that homework was nonsense, and the kid shouldn't have done it. Should have gone in and asked his teacher. So that's what I thought that this policy meant, was to remediate. That when you go in with a half-done homework, the teacher doesn't mark you 0 for that, but they help you figure out why you didn't understand it.
Yeah, that has nothing to do with what, that's really what the product that we're sending home. It really has nothing to do with what's happening with the teacher in the classroom at the other end. That remediation, we felt that it wasn't me, it was a homework committee that put that changed that language. And they felt that sending something home that a child didn't know how to do was remediation, and they didn't want to do that for that very reason.
Okay, good. So I'm okay with that. I also had the same question that Lisa had about the abolishment, so I'll skip that. I have some questions also on the Google Doc, Linda. Again, I couldn't print tonight, so if you would take a look at those. And my final question was, did the high school do any sort of what's the word I'm looking for? Assembly for the incident that we had, the drunk driving incident that we had? There were a lot of children upset over what happened. There was a big Twitter war going on about it, and that went into that.
I don't know what Mr. Costa did as far as that's concerned. An overall assembly.
Like, yeah, and to talk to children about not only the drinking part of it, but also the social media part of it. And how
that was a good opportunity.
that was a great opportunity. Some children got attacked for sticking up for a child that was hurt. And it was just a mess. It was a big, ugly thing.
I don't believe they put everybody together.
Other crimes in these Twitter wars, it was just disgusting. So I was hoping that we could maybe hit that social media part of it. We talked about that tonight. That would be a great opportunity to